channel. If you are new here, my name is Yash Patel and I create a content about data analytics, machine learning, and everything related to working with data. So today we are going to break down one of the most important skills in data analytics, the step-by-step process of data analysis. So many beginners struggle with structuring their data analysis properly. They jump straight into the numbers without understanding the problem, or they just get stuck in messy data. So in this video, I will walk you through the exact step you need to follow, whether you are analyzing business reports, research data, or making data-driven decisions. So let's get started with first slide. We Step one, I would say, understanding the problem. Before we even touch the data, the first step is understanding the problem. Every analysis must start with a clear objective, otherwise you might analyze data that not even irrelevant. So you need to ask yourself some questions that what questions needs to be answered, what business problems are we solving, or who will use this information, and how may they use, I mean. So for example, if you are working on a sales data, are you trying to find why sales dropped last quarter, or are you trying to predict next quarter revenue? So these types of questions you should ask. The approach will be very different based on the objective, and a well defined problem ensures that you focus only on relevant data and right analysis techniques. So next step, I would say, collecting the right data. So once you define the problem, the next step is to gather the right data. Data can come from many different sources, like depending on the project, uh, like databases. We use SQL, data, Excel, and internal report, APIs, or surveys and customer feedbacks, like they directly response from the users. And APIs you can get from Google Analytics, stock market data, or weather data. And also you can get the data from web scraping. If data is not available in a structured form, we can use tools like beautiful soap, or any other different tools. It can help scrap the data from websites. So at this stage, you should also ask yourself that is the data complete and accurate or not. Do I need additional sources to fill in missing information? So like good data collection ensures that you have the everything you need for a meaningful analysis. So step 3, I would say, data cleaning and pre-processing. I already covered these types of data cleaning and pre-processing guide in my previous videos. I make different I use different source databases, and we use data cleaning and different tasks we already done in our previous video. You need to check it out, because we make different codes. We use data sets, and using Python and Jupyter notebook, we already done data cleaning. uh, so all right, and now that we have our data, right, so let's move on the one of the most important and time consuming step, this data cleaning. So we also typically we do in this data cleaning, that we remove the duplicates, we handle the missing values, we standardize the formats, and we also fix inconsistency in our data. So without any proper data cleaning, your analysis could be misleading or incorrect. So you need to do this step before you do any further analysis. So after step 4, I would say exploring and analyzing data. So now that our data is clean, that as I told you, you already done data cleaning and pre-processing. So after that, you need to exploring and analyzing data. So you need to understand the data set better. So for that, there is key important things that you should do. First of all, identify the trends and pattern, like if there are any seasonal spikes, or a sales increase and over time. You also need to look for correlations, like do high and expenses leads to a higher sales. find like outliers, any if we don't have any if we have any outliers or not. Are there unusual data points that don't fit the trends? Validate findings with statistical analysis. Use measures like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, or regression models. So this step is like where we start to see insights emerge, right? And after that, you can also do visualization and communicating insights. So once we have analyzed the data, we need to present our findings in a clear and effective way. So like people process visuals much faster than raw data. So data visualization is key. So some common visualizations techniques, we are using that, like bar chart or histograms. We also use line graph for like uh, showing the trends over time. We also use heat maps, which help us to visualize correlations. We also use data dashboards, like to interactive report to make interactive reports for stakeholders. So here goal is to tell a story with data, right? Visualization is only for telling the story. So make sure your insights are easy to understand for non-technical people. So after that, real world applications of data analysis. So now you might be wondering, like, how does all of this apply in the real world? Well, data analysis is everywhere, right? So here are some key industries like which relies on data analysis, like marketing, finance, healthcare. If I say about finance, like for fraud detection, stock market and prediction. We also use in healthcare for predicting a patient outcome, uh, optimizing hospital resources, and in marketing, I would say customer segmentation. So no matter what field you are in, mastering these steps will make you a valuable data analyst. So in conclusion, I would say we cover everything, like step by step process of our data analysis. Like we understand the problem, we collect the data, we clean and pre-process that, and after that we explore and analyze that, and then we finally visualize and communicate with our like insights. And these it will help us to like present insights using charts and dashboards. So by following these steps, you can turn raw data into powerful insights that like helps you in the like decision making process. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't even